To successfully withdraw money from an app, it is essential to follow a series of steps. First, open the app on your phone and link a bank account, as this will enable you to transfer funds. Once the bank account is connected, check your credit score within the app, ensuring it is either excellent or good. With a satisfactory credit score, proceed to the advanced options, typically found at the bottom of the menu. Selecting this option will lead to a new screen where you can choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Available amounts may include $220 or $240, among others. Simply select the desired amount. After confirming the withdrawal amount, the funds will be automatically transferred to the linked bank account. The app will also display the estimated time required for the transfer to be completed. By following these steps, withdrawing money from the app can be efficiently accomplished.